Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and I know you have a bathroom to clean. So why don't you grab your cleaning supplies and let's tackle a bathroom together. In today's video, I am using the Jaws bathroom cleaner. I'm also going to be using microfiber cloth as well as the Clorox wand and a glass cleaner. None of these products are sponsored. I just love them and truthfully it's what I had at the time handy. I know this may sound weird, but probably the bathroom is one of my favorite places to clean in the house. I am not sure it's because it may last longer clean than other rooms in the house, such as a bedroom or a kitchen. I don't know. I know it's weird, and I also clean the floor on my knees. I know that's also super old-fashioned and weird, but let's start here. This is a very small bathroom. It's our guest bathroom, and right now this bathroom is being used and abused because our main bathroom is under construction. When I have littles or my children were little, my whole house, every time there was a holiday coming in, it will have that theme. For example, right now, Valentine is the theme. And honestly, I've been in this vibe of less is more and let's have more experiences over things. So I rather have perhaps a Sunday dinner with all my kids, which is hard to catch them this day, than having more decor in the house. However, I have nothing against having decor in the house. Nothing at all. I love it. I love watching other content creators that go all out on the holidays. I do go all out on Christmas and sometimes Easter, but other than that, these decorations, except for the yum, they're all from Dollar Tree. Very minimal. Very minimal. 3 things actually in this room from the Dollar Tree, and it brought the vibe of love here, and that's it. That's all I needed. Let's talk about when you have a product and you could use it for multiple things. I have seen people that have the Clorox one, which is this tool here, and they only use it inside of the toilet. I start cleaning from the top. Like you see here, I wash the lid first, I'm going around it. And sometimes if my floor is too dirty, can I tell you something? After I finish cleaning the whole bathroom, I grab the Clorox wand and I grab a clean tablet and I scrub my floor with it. Because think about it, it has chlorine in it. Look, and it makes this foam and it truly brightens and cleans and disinfects. So don't be afraid to use the one product you have for multiple surfaces. The bathroom is one of those places where a lot of cross-contamination can happen. And I want to share with you that I am using 2 Microsoft towels, one gray to clean the toilet and a green one to clean the walls and the sink, and the green one, and I also with the green one I'm gonna end up cleaning the floor. I want to let you know that the green one, I am constantly rinsing it, and you'll see that process here. Also, to finish the toilet, I like to use paper towels. And then for the sink at the end, you'll see that I go around with the Clorox wipes. So again, this video is edited, but I do want you to know that yes, I'm not wearing gloves. Sometimes a lot of people tell me, you're cleaning the bathroom, you talk about cross-contaminations, but you're not wearing gloves. I have a rash in my skin, and unfortunately the gloves make it worse. For some reason, gloves retain a lot of moisture when I'm cleaning, and by the time I'm done, my skin is peeling. Interesting to say, because you'll think the products make this worse on my skin, but actually, and again, this video is not promoted, it's not sponsored by Jaws, but Jaws is one of those products that is very gentle and actually pet friendly, and that's why I do love this product. So if you have any sort of allergies on your skin, or seasonal allergies, or you're allergic to certain of cleaning supplies, perhaps you want to give this a try. Or listen, if you cannot afford one of these products, water and vinegar forever will be our best friends. I want to take this moment to introduce myself. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and I live somewhere in New Jersey. I have 3 children and 4 dogs. The amount of hair and dust in my home, let's just say, is ridiculous. I am a full time working mom. I have 2 jobs, a full time job that is outside of the house and a part-time job that is both outside and in the house. And I do YouTube content with the aspiration that my channel grows and that I get to connect with people like you, and hopefully within all my efforts I finally arrive at a place of financial freedom. And I say that because I live in a very old home somewhere in New Jersey and which is falling apart. Currently, I don't have a main bathroom. The pipes broke. I also barely have a kitchen. The front of my house, the porch is falling apart, and I share that here on YouTube how I patch it. Basically, I patch it so it could hold down the winter, and then in the spring I have to do something with it. But every time I try to fix something, something else break. Now, the good thing, right? We have to see the good things in it. The good thing is that I do a lot of this stuff. I try to demolish as much as I can on whatever free time I have. And I share that with you over here. And then I have a neighbor who is the best handyman ever. He could do plumbing, electricity, he could move pipes for me, and that's awesome. And he also gives me ideas in, how to repair things, so that's amazing. And he's helping me with that. I cannot wait to share everything that is happening in this home with you. So I hope that you stay in this channel, that you hit the subscribe button, that you turn the notifications bell so you could see the progress of my home and how everything is going to turn out. I hope that you're encouraged if you are struggling in life, if you are found in a place where you see that there's no exit. I want to remind you that there is an exit, and sometimes it's just hard to see it because we are pressed from all angles of life for many, many reasons, either financially or health-wise or emotionally. But I hope that we can hang out together and at least get one chore around the house done together and remind ourselves that we are fearfully and wonderfully made. And we could do things together. There's power within us to do great things. We just have to remain steady consistently and try our best. And our best will always be enough. Friend, from the bottom of my heart, I'm going to let you listen to some music until the end of this video. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.